Ramos Rosana Christine P. Magna cum laude.
I'm so excited. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of College Diaries. And this might be the last episode for the series kasi in this video, I graduated! Okay. And yes, before we jump off on that video, I want to do a quick life update with you guys kasi I feel like you're missing out. Kasi naman, di ako nakakapag-upload guys, pero nakakapag-vlog ako. Hindi ko siya na-edit guys eh. Sorry na. Kasi I got busy with work, so I don't have time to edit and also to upload. Puro lang ako work, like all week work, all weekdays work, weekends tulog guys. As in, literal. Today is August 12th, Wednesday, and it's around 8:58 a.m. guys, and I'm currently doing my putting my bouquet sa frame. It's trending guys on TikTok, so ginaya ko lang siya. And also here it is. This is what we're working on. Give me one moment. Tcharam! If you can see, there's my toga pic kasi that's the bouquet that I received when I graduated, and that's from my mom guys. Diba? So thoughtful. Okay. So that's part of her gift daw because I graduated, plus I graduated as magna cum laude. Can you believe that? Yan. Kasama yan sa Ila Life update ko guys. So ayun guys, I graduated as magna cum laude. Though, hindi ako nagulat na, sorry to brag, pero hindi talaga ako nagulat na meron akong Latin honor kasi I'm doing my best as a student. As in, hindi, nagulat lang ako na magna cum laude ako. Pero hindi ako nagulat na meron akong Latin honor. Okay na ako sa cum laude, ganun. I'm very thankful na magna cum laude pa tayo. Thank you, Lord. Kasi guidance niya yun, guys. And then also, yung health ko, hindi niya pinapabayaan. Hindi niya ako pinapabayaan magkasakit even though na I'm working student. So, I'm very thankful din. And also, ano pa ba? Yes, and I'm vlogging with my Insta360, guys. Go Ultra. Oh my God. Lahat ng yan, guys. I mean, itong part na to. I uploaded that one when I purchased that camera on TikTok. So, you might want to check my TikTok account, guys. Doon kasi ako nag-iingay. Kapag tinatamad ako mag-edit ng long vlogs, doon ako nagpo-post, guys. Ayun, so, how's life after college? Masaya kasi wala akong iniisip na mga deadlines, mga midterms, mga finals, guys. Wala talaga. As in, ang iniisip ko na lang is work, 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 work. So, medyo nakakahinga ako ng maluwag. Kasi, ayun nga, wala na akong isipin na after shift, kailangan ko pumasok sa school para sa isang subject, para sa online class, ganun. Wala na akong iniisip na ganun, guys. So, ayun, guys. Ano ba bang gagawin natin? E di mag-start na tayo ng video. Kasi while playing that video, tatapusin ko na to. Today, I pick up the result or yung TOGA pick ko. Tcharam! So, we partnered with the PhotoX Media and they didn't disappoint. That's why I want to share this with you also. Kasi super ganda talaga ng result. Even, basta, let's go to unbox this, guys. Ah! Oh my God, I'm so excited. So, ang package namin dito is the premium one. So, ang inclusion niya is itong glass-to-glass na one attire picture. So, and then, mga 5x7 na each of the 3 attires. Tapos ang tawag dito, wallet size. Okay. And here it is. Ta-da! Super ganda, right? Yes, super ganda niya, guys. Super love the detail, super love the edit. Kasi hindi ganyan talaga itsura niyan eh. Hindi talaga ganyan. Kasi ayaw na ayaw ko talaga itong type ng picture ko na to. Kasi super taba ako dyan. Tapos, pinalitan nila yung hati ng hair ko dyan eh. Dapat sa kaliwa yan. Ginawang kanan. Kasi nga, dahil sa sablay. So, parang I don't feel my look that time. Anyways, maganda naman siya. And then, here's the other inclusion. So, ito yung mga wallet size. And then, ito yung sa 5 by 7. Oh my God. Super ganda ko here sa toga picture, guys. Super ganda. Ilang pieces ba siya per Ayan siya. Parang baraha lang naman yan siya. Uy. Ayan. So, this is my favorite so far. Right? Ito, ganito dapat talaga ang ayos ng hair ko. Tapos, ginawang ganan. Dapat pala, una pa lang sinabi na, guys, dapat yung hair nyo is nasa kaliwa, hindi pwedeng nasa kanan. Tapos, ito yung sa 5 by 7. Ulit-ulit ako. Taran! Super cute! Yan, tag-iisa ulit siya. Ganda, right? Tapos, kudos pala sa mga staff na nag-assist sa akin dito. Kahit na merong hindi inedit itong kamay, pero sila kasi yung naghagis ng mga papers. And I love it so much. Super accommodating nila and super friendly nila actually. Ayun lang guys for today's update. Marami pa tayong magiging ganap for preparation. Like tomorrow, pupunta kaming Divisoria to check or to buy graduation dress / Filipiniana dress. We're going to attend Lumina or Alumi. Oh my God, I forgot. Wait. Lumina Awards 2026. It's exclusive awarding ceremony sa mga entrepreneurship students like me. So, I'll be graduating din as Manya and we're going to be rewarded sa event na yon. I'm so excited and I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. Naalala ko pa lang yung mga hardship namin as a group before. Like, need namin. Kailangan kong dumiretso. Oh my God, ang dami kong daldal, guys. It's currently 7:47 and dapat 8 yung event and nandito pa ako sa bahay. Hello? Magko-commute pa ako. Okay. Bye guys. Later! Nag-aasikaso na naman tayo. Pupunta tayo ng school today para kunin yung ticket for our companions sa graduation day. And I'll be with my friends and next na agenda is to go to a cafe with them. And ayun lang. After 3 hours sa pila, and then yung sa pawis. Di ko kasalanan talaga. And we're about to go to cafe! Hi guys! So I finally got my booklet. So this one is for scholarship and laude and for graduation itself. And right now we're here at Knit Cafe. So I'm
Jam.
What is your message for your younger self?
You did a great job. Ay, bawal ba yun? You did a great job. Yun lang.
Okay. Ikaw, Tan. What's your name and what's your message?
I'm Cindy Pfeiffer, Sam. Keep it up.
Galing. Ikaw naman, Tan.
What about
Hi, this is Shane. Ang message ko for my, younger self is, thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Yeah. Thank you for surviving. OA. Thank you. Take it away, Rosana.
Rosana Critin?
So, ang masasabi ko sa younger self ko ay buti na lang at pinagpatuloy mo yung pagiging okay, bye.
Yes naman.
Cindy Pfeiffer.
Hala, ang taray niya, guys. Isasalang na kami sa photo booth. Yes. Mayroon yan. Sabi to. Ay. Ano yan? Hindi ba mo? Ay,
Kuya, saan daw po ito pwede
pwedeng
idikit?
idikit.
Bakal po. Pagilid ng
Ito.
Ito po ito.
Ate, hindi siya
Sa'yo
ba?
walang bra.
Hindi. Yung kuya, nasa ruwa ko. Ayaw naman tayo.
Kali ko lumati yung bra ko. Wait.
Bakit ta? Ikuya ka ma.
Ano ba yan? Ganyan?
Naka.
Yasan tayo ni kuya, guys.
Ito yung pader. Naku, gas-gas. Charas na.
Ito kuya, okay. Or pag ganito.
Dito mo lagay yung tape ko.
Yan.
Ayan, perfect na yan.
Ayan na.
Ayan.
Nalaman.
Sama ka na kuya.
Ako na yan?
Okay lang.
Explain ko lang po Pili po kayo between ito, or ito. Yung tatlo lang po yung pagpipilian. Tapos next lang po.
Pangalawa.
Tapos doon po ka sa taas titingin. If gusto nila ulitin, may X dito. Pindutin lang nila kada shot para umulit. Parang ganito. Ayan, ganyan. Okay?
Okay.
Pili na lang po kayo.
Thank you, kuya.
Thank you po.
Ayun sa amin. Hindi mo na.
Saan na?
Tipid pa ng dalawang ano, picture.
Naglag siya. Ay. Heart tayo ba din? Heart din kayo sa taas.
Wala pa na.
Wala pa.
Ang naglag eh.
Ayun na. Maganda, maganda.
Maganda naman siya.
Okay na. Okay na.
Okay na po ko. We're on our way na, guys. For our recognition. Say hi.
Aming nililigo ako rin.
For you in the morning. For now, at tabihan naman, papaglato sa rekado sa ating magahan. Iatid po sa ating mga nagbabagang palita sa loob at labas sa bansa ng Bombo Network News supporting Anisha.
Di rin naman cute na
Sa mga nationwide. At para sa ating audio video streaming, pwede niyo po bisitahin ang ating Facebook page at YouTube channel. Hanapin niyo lamang 102.7.
Grabe, late na tayo pero...
Umaga, Juliana S. Umama, Kurt Adrian M. Umano, Charlene H. Onlong, Mary
Ramos Roshana Christine.
Ramos Roshana Christine T.
The 55th commencement exercises of Rizal Technological University.
My 4 years in college haven't been easy. It's been a roller coaster of highs and lows. But I'm just really proud and grateful that I made it to this milestone. Graduating is already a huge achievement for me, but graduating as magna cum laude while being a working student makes this moment even more special. I know how much hard work and sacrifice went into this, and I'm just thankful I never gave up. To my younger self, I'm so proud of you. Thank you for always believing that you could do it and for trusting that your future self would figure things out. We made it.
What's up, vlog? Welcome to my vlog.
Hi, Ross!
Kaya nga eh.
Dito po tayo!
And completed our hall for the next batch of graduation attendees. Again, our new batch
What's up,
to
vlog?
assist our dear students.
Alorica na! Ramos! Let's go! Alorica!
What's your message to your younger self? We made it! Ano message mo sa younger self mo? Hi, Mia! Message mo sa younger self mo?
Ito text ka na lang sa'yo.
Sarah Marie, anong message mo sa younger self mo? I love you na lang?
We got our diploma. Oh. Time check, it's already 11:20.
Hello, vlog! Hi! Just graduated. Yung nanay ko, kumuha ng carbonara. Ayaw pa eh. Yan.
Diet tayo kaya fruits lang.
Muna kayo lang tayo. Diet.
Iyar po sa'yo.
Ganun pala yan! Di kasi natin alam yan. O, tignan mo to, di naman siya yung umorder, pero mapipilitan. Sige, magmukbang ka nga eh.
Puro sibuyas.
Yung carbonara kasi nila may sibuyas. Ito, ang sarap ng ice cream nila. Durian, tsaka matcha. Anong flavor mo, be?
Mango.
Mango? Mango.
Meron silang Italian matcha.
Kala.
Ano lasa?
Oh, libutin natin ang pagkain. Okay. Ang hipon. Oh, super sarap. What is this? Bulalo. Oh, sisig. Ito, ang mga siomay ni Nene. May pork siomay tayo. Oh, chicken feet ng mama mo. Oh, may butche. Butche. Oh, hulaan mo yan siya. Pandesal sa kalento. Wow, pampabata. Pabata yan. Isa pang pambabata. Pambata. Price ni Nene. Nuggets ng mama. Spinball.
We're going home! Bakit?
Hi guys, so time check, it's already 10:42 a.m. Parang ilang oras din tayo gumawa ng ganito, pero i-reveal ko na siya guys. Are you guys ready? Super cute niya guys. So ito yung frame pala na bili ko sa TikTok. 1, 2, 3. Tadaan! See, mas na-appreciate ko na yung quality niya ng frame kasi malinaw siya guys. Kasi merong plastic wrap kanina. So, natanggal ko, pretty niya. Okay, that's it for this vlog. And this will be my outro na rin. Kasi I think ito na yung hinihintay ng vlog na yun. Pwede ko na rin siyang i-upload anytime soon. So, alright guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. And I hope to see you on my next one.